Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So the beautiful face in your screen is Isba Jacintombi, and welcome to another video. So in today's vlog we're gonna be doing my hair. Yeah, new year, new look. Real good. Yo guys, I'm confident. But then later on we're gonna be chilling with some friends. Yeah, for now let me go take a bath and get ready. See you when I'm with Tiana. Bah! So guys, I'm done.
Put that on my. When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fucking right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. Posing who she's left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's lay where the love is light. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly.
Let's forget it, guys.
Staring out the window, 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 staring out the window. Trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. What's happening to me? 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 Staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why.
So we are done. Yeah. Meet friends. Hi vlog. Umyonsi sikhohle ukuthi uyavloga. Umyonsi sikhohle ukuthi uyavloga. Ama-power bank. Hi vlog. Manje moziphatha. Say hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
Hi guys, so today's outfit of the day is just a little cum dress. This is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and hit on that bell to get notified every time a video is dropped to this